As a health and nutrition coach, I get asked a lot, how do I make things quick, easy, inexpensive, and tasty? Because when I ask my clients to eat healthy, their first thought is that they're going to have things really difficult or time consuming or they're not going to taste good. And that's not the case at all. In fact, it's actually really easy to throw a bunch of healthy things together, make it taste delicious, and be eating in no time. And so today I want to share with you a little sneak peek inside of a free guide that I have about throwing together a stir fry. Stir fries are one of the easiest ways where you can cook up a really quick and healthy meal. And I actually have a free download for you. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to put the link here with this video where you can go and grab it. It's completely free. And this is some of the tips and ideas that I share with my clients. So let me show you what it looks like inside so that you can get a sneak peek as well. So inside my nutrition wellness library, the library itself looks like this. When you log in, so you're going to use the link here to sign up with your name and email, you're going to log in. It's completely free. You get instant access to all kinds of downloads and guides and journals and recipes and all kinds of fun stuff. Today, I specifically want to show you what this simple stir fry tips download looks like because you can really craft the perfect stir fry recipe in a hurry. It doesn't take long. It can be absolutely delicious. And I have some guidelines for you. If this feels overwhelming or you're not sure if it's going to taste good, I'm going to give you a couple tips as far as getting started. Because once you start like chopping up some veggies and throwing them in, you might worry about how long to cook or what is it actually going to taste like. So I'm going to give you some tips as far as prepping, getting things ready, how much, how long to cook things for, and so forth. So how to make them taste delicious. We're going to go through a few different steps that are really going to help you make this in a hurry. And while you're there, go ahead, grab anything else you want. There's tons of stuff inside. I would love you to check it out. Let me know how it goes. And if you want to give stir fries a try, then try out this guide because it's giving you a couple really quick starters where you can be cooking, with whatever's in your fridge even right now. You could probably prepare a delicious meal for your family in under 30 minutes tonight. I would love to hear if you give it a try. If we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Gayleen Gomez. I'm the owner of Compass Rose Nutrition and Wellness. I help women really boost their energy and lose unwanted weight. And my program itself is only 90 days. So we can fast track your results when we include simple tips and hacks like this. If you're looking for more information or you're looking for support in your health, reach out, let me know. But for now, go grab this guide. I cannot wait to hear what you think.